Trello Premium features, strengths, weaknesses. Trello Premium unlocks advanced features geared towards teams needing more power and control beyond the free plan. Key features include advanced checklists, allowing you to assign checklist items to members and set due dates, which enhances accountability. Custom fields offer a robust way to track granular data points like budget, priority, or client names directly on cards. Timeline View provides a Gantt chart-style visualization, crucial for project planning and resource allocation, especially useful for dependencies and deadlines. Workspaces, a free feature, becomes truly powerful with Premium, unlocking more workspaces and increased board limits. Approvals add a formal sign-off process, streamlining workflows for content creation, design reviews, or legal compliance. Who is Trello Premium made for? It's ideal for project managers, marketing teams, software development teams, and really any organization that relies on visual project management and needs enhanced collaboration tools. Strengths of Trello Premium are numerous. The increased workspace and board limits alone can be worth the upgrade for larger teams. Advanced checklists and custom fields introduce structured data and accountability without sacrificing Trello's inherent flexibility. The Timeline View addresses a significant gap in the free version, offering a critical planning tool. Approvals formalize processes that often get lost in email chains. Now for the weaknesses. Cost is the most obvious drawback. The pricing jump from free to premium can be significant, especially for smaller teams who might not fully utilize the features. Integration with other project management suites like Asana or Jira is limited compared to dedicated enterprise solutions. While Timeline View is a great addition, it lacks some of the advanced features found in dedicated project management software, such as critical path analysis. The advanced checklists, while powerful, can be somewhat clunky to manage if not implemented thoughtfully. Finally, the value proposition can be uneven. A team primarily using Trello for simple task management might not see a return on investment. In conclusion, Trello Premium is a powerful upgrade for teams already invested in the Trello ecosystem and requiring more robust features for project planning, data tracking, and workflow management. Carefully evaluate your team's needs and usage patterns to determine if the increased functionality justifies the cost. If your team is pushing the limits of the free plan and needs features like Timeline View, custom fields, and advanced checklists, then Trello Premium is likely a worthwhile investment.